Hello students, 12th Accountancy, Unit 3, Accounts of Partnership Firm, Product Method. Now we are calculating interest and drawings. There are different methods are there to calculate the interest and drawing. The first method we have learned, direct method. The second method is product method. And the product method, interest is calculated on the total of the products. Total of the products. So in the first method, the interest is charged on the amount of withdrawn. But here the interest is going to be calculated for the product, for the sum of products, for the total of product. In that case, what is product? That is, product is equal to amount of withdrawn into period for which the amount remained withdrawn. For example, in the last sum we have seen rupees 30,000 is withdrawn. During the year is given. Suppose the amount rupees 30,000 is withdrawn on October mean. The amount rupees 30,000 is withdrawn on October mean, October, November, December, 3 months. So amount of drawing is 30,000. Period for which the amount remained withdrawn, that is 3 months. So 30,000 into 3, that is called a product. So first we have to calculate the product, then we have to calculate the interest and drawings. So sum of products into rate of interest per annum into 1 by 12. In product method we have to use 1 by 12 for month calculation at last. Suppose we are going to calculate day calculation in 1 by 365. 1 by 365, because per day how much it will be charged, that is going to be calculated. So you see illustration 15. Anbu is a partner in a partnership firm. As per the partnership deed, interest and drawing is charged 12% per annum. So Anbu is a partner. In the partnership deed, they specified interest and drawings can be charged 12% per annum. During the year ended 31st December 2018. So accounting period closing date is 31st December 2018. That case opening date is 1/1/2018. 1/1/2018. He drew as follows. In that case, in different dates Anbu has withdrawn the amount. For that we are going to calculate the interest on drawings. Calculate the amount of interest on drawings under product method. The previous sums they didn't specify in which method you have to follow, but here what method they have said, product method. If they have specified you have to use product method mean you have to use only product method. They won't see the answers in which method you used. Answer will be the same for both method, but the method which you used, for that only they are going to provide the marks. So keep it in mind. So while you are reading the question paper, carefully read the question paper. So calculate interest on drawings under product method. Now only I said product method mean we have to calculate the products first. So for calculating the product we are going to use the tabular format. So date of drawings. Date of drawing mean in which date the amount is withdrawn. That is for the first column, date of drawings. The second column is amount withdrawn. How much amount is withdrawn. The third column is period up to 31st December. How many months are there? Already informed you product. When you are going to calculate product mean the amount of withdrawn is going to multiply with the amount how many months it is utilized. How many months this amount is used till the accounting period end. That's why they have given 31st December, because the accounting period end date is 31st December. So I have given 31st December. So now you see here March 1st to 31st December. March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. How many months are there? 10 months. So the amount which is withdrawn on March, it is going to be used for 10 months. So 6,000 into 10. 6. How many zeros are here? 30 plus 10, 40. So 40. So 60,000. Then June 1, the amount which is withdrawn on June is rupees 4,000. The 4,000 rupees which is withdrawn on June till 31st December going to be used. How many months are there? June, July, August, September, October, November, December. How many months? 7 months. So 7 you are going to write it here. 7 4s are 28. 7 4s are 28. So 28 is written. nearby. How many zeros are here? 3 0. Place it 3 zeros. Then September 1st we have withdrawn amount 5,000. This amount is going to be utilized until 31st December. So from September 1st to 31st December, how many months are there? September, October, November, December, 4 months. So 4 is placed here. Now you see here 5,000 into 4, we are going to multiply it. So we got the amount 20,000. We got the amount 20,000. Then you see here December 1st we have withdrawn the amount. Closing date is 31st December. So December 1st to 31st December we got solidly 1 month. So we can place the number of month 1. So 2000 into 1, 2000. So now we got the product value. We got the product value. For calculating interest on drawings and the product method, what is the formula? Interest on drawings equal to sum of products. Sum of products. Now we calculated only individual product. We have to do the total of the products. So we have to calculate sum of products into rate of interest. Rate of interest, what is given the sum? 12% into 1 by 12, because we are calculating for the month based only. So month based mean you have to use 1 by 12. Suppose date based mean we have to write 1 by 365. So interest on drawings equal to sum of products. So sum of product we are going to calculate it now. 000. Then fourth position we are going to see 2 plus 8, 10. So 0 is placed here. Then fifth position, already 1 is the 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 6, 11. So 1,10,000. Sum of product is 1,10,000. So we can calculate the interest on drawing. So interest on drawing is equal to sum of product into rate of interest into 1 by 12. Sum of product, what is the value? 1,10,000. The same 1,10,000 is going to be placed here. 1,10,000. 1,10,000 into 1,10,000 into 1,10,000 into 12%, 12 by 100 into 1 by 12. In that case, I am going to cancel it. 12, 12, 20 cancelled. In that case, what is the amount you are going to get? 1, 1. How many zeros is not taken out? 2 zeros. So 20 is written. So interest on drawings rupees 1,100. 1,100. You see here, when you are going to calculate the interest on drawings under direct method as well as under product method, the interest on drawings amount will be same amount you will get, but the procedures will be different. So when you are going to read the question paper with attention, read the question paper.